Good morning to everyone. This is Kalpana from GK Jain Higher Secondary School, Royapuram. For more educational video, subscribe our YouTube channel.
Today for the 12th standard I am going to explain the lesson as metallurgy. So in the previous class we discussed about the three steps which is involved in the extractions of metal from its ore. Okay, the first method is a concentration method, and the second one it is about the extraction, and the third one it is about refining. So in the concentration method we just remove the impurities. So it has been done based on the types of ore. It will done with the different steps, different process we have doing, like froth flotation, gravity separation, leaching, magnetic separation. Likewise we have done to remove the impurities from the ores. It was done in the concentration method. Next we move on to the extraction. If you see the extractions of ore, again it has to be take place in the two steps. The first step, the conversion of ores into metal oxide. That is the first step. As we know about the ore, because where we get the metal from we have extract the metal from its ore only. What is the reason? Because it contains the high percentage of metal. That is why we have extract the metal from its ore. So those ore we have to convert it into metal oxide in a first step. Second one, those metal oxide is converted, which is reduced as a metal. It is done in a second step. In this extraction process, it has take place in the two steps. One is the conversions of ores into metal oxide. Second one, the reduction of metal oxide into metal. The first one, conversion of ores into metal oxide, will be done in a two steps. Two methods. One is a roasting and calcination. In the previous class we will discuss with the roasting as well as the calcination. Both it should be do the same process. We will do with the same process, just heat the ore. Okay, but the thing is how it has been differentiated by the roasting and calcination with the help of oxygen only. If I am heating the ore with the excess of oxygen means with the in presence of oxygen or in presence of air means it is a roasting. In absence of air or else with the limited supply of oxygen means it is a calcination. But both the processes, calcination as well as roasting, we have to do the heating the ores. That's it. Okay. And about the reduction. So in a reduction, reduce the metal oxide into metals. Okay. So today we have to discuss about the smelting. So during the smelting process, the conversion of, the reduction of those metal oxide into metal. Okay, let me see. So here I am going to start with the smelting. So smelting, it is under the extraction. So what we have to do, just we have taken the concentrated ore. What is the meaning of concentrated ore? We are removing the gangue particle. The ore which has to be removed the gangue particle, that process will call it as a concentrated ore. We have taken that concentrated ore and adding a flux. Okay, then we have to add the reducing agent because we have do the reduction process. The reduction of metal oxide into metal, we need the reducing agent. That is why we have to add the reducing agent. After adding this thing, concentrated ore which is added together with the flux. Actually we already know about the flux. Again the flux to remove, it has been a substance which is added to remove the impurities. As well the flux, what happened? Remove the impurities, as well it has to make the ore as a porous. Because if you taking as a ore, it is in a strong rocky substance, look like a very hard in nature. Okay, that is why each and every process if you are doing with the ores, we just crush the ore. That is a foremost process. Take the crushed ore, isn't it? Because it has been availed in the form of very hard substance. But if you are adding the flux, it make the ores as a porous. A little bit it was diluted. Some porous is there, so it is not that much of hardness as compared with the before ore. That is why the role of flux is remove the impurities while adding to the ores, as well it will be make the ore as a porous thing. As we know, why we are using a reducing agent? Because reduction process is involved. So reduction of metal oxide into metal, so it need a reducing agent, and we have to heat the substance up to increasing the temperature according to the ores whatever we taken. Okay, because each and every metals will have different boiling point. Okay, so we have to heat that ore, particular ore, above the boiling point. Okay, so this is the general procedure, general terms, steps we are doing in the smelting process. Let's be taken into the example. Here I am taking as a iron ore. So as we know about the iron ore, hematite, pyrite, whatever you want, we can just take it as a concentrated iron ore. What is the meaning of concentrated iron ore? Those iron ores which has been removed the gangue particle. That is a concentrated iron ore. Here I am adding a calcium carbonate. Here the calcium carbonate will act as a flux. And then I am adding a coke. So coke is act as a reducing agent. Okay, so here in place of concentrated ore I am taking an iron ore. In the place of flux I am taking calcium carbonate. Using a reducing agent, here I am taking coke. So first I am started with the flux. So what will happen in the flux? I am taking a flux as a calcium carbonate, that is a limestone. So if it is being heated, the carbon dioxide gas which is present in the calcium carbonate, which is being evaporated, which is being expelled. So as we know, CO2, if you have reduced the CO2 from CaCO3, remaining is calcium oxide. So calcium carbon dioxide, calcium oxide is formed with the expelled of carbon dioxide which has been evaporated. Then I am going with the calcium oxide which has been obtained in the first step. No, those calcium oxide which is treated with the gangue particle. What is a gangue particle? Already we have removed the gangue particle from the iron ore, but actually if you are removing in the concentration process, but still it has some gangue particles are there. Gangue particles is nothing else. Impurities will call it as a gangue particle. If you have do it in the concentration process, that too also some of the impurities are placed in the iron ore. Those gangue particle which is treated with the flux calcium oxide, it form as a slag. As we all know about the thing, in 2 marks we can ask this question, how the slag is formed. By the combination of the flux which is been associated with the gangue particle, it formed as a slag. Finally, about the reducing agent. Here coke, that means carbon, when it is treated with the oxygen, it forms as a carbon monoxide. So now we have taken the ore, iron ore, it has to be treated with the reducing agent. What is a reducing agent? Actually we have taken the reducing agent as a coke only, but after it is combined with the oxygen, it forms as a carbon monoxide. Okay, so the iron ore which is treated with the carbon monoxide, it forms a iron particle as well as the carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is the way we have getting the metals. Okay, so here see, metal oxide reduced into metal. So here the metal oxide, finally what we have getting? Metal, that means iron, because here I am taking as a iron ores. Is it clear? So in today's topic we discussed with the smelting. Smelting, it is under the process of extraction. So what is done in the smelting? We just take it as a concentrated ore. It is treated with the flux which make the ore as a porous one. Then we adding a reducing agent, because the reducing agent only will reduce the metal oxide into metal. Finally we will getting this thing. In your textbook it is not having this much of expansion is there. It has to be done 1 or 2 steps. They have completed with 1 or 2 steps. Okay. So this was happening in the smelting. So how the questions we can expect? Explain the smelting, or what is the role of calcium carbonate, or what is the role of coke, and which will act as a reducing agent while extract the iron ore. This may be this kind of questions we may expect from in your exams.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.